Mauna nga tama pa.
Sige.
Good morning, guys.
Welcome, Bossy, Sir Louie, meet our Dr. Russell Johnson.
Hello, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good-looking doctor.
Thank you so much.
Malapit pa kayo ka na before na?
Hindi ba po?
Okay naman.
No pain, no pain. We'd like to go first. We have professional beds here that shoes are no problem. Okay. That's all up to you. Yes, sir. Any issues at all? Pain, discomfort? And then I want you to look at this here. So you can see how even the best indication is just looking at the socks. We're actually going to look here, but it's easier to notice there. We have that imbalance. Okay, I want you to raise your right leg as high as you can. Perfect. Down. Good. Now out in front of you, above your head. Good. Okay. Down. Other side. Okay, now I want you to come onto your side, facing me, tagilid. So we're going to let this relax back. Good. Okay, big man, take a deep breath in. And you're just going to come with me, roll with me this way. Good. Breathe. Good. There we go. We'll finish with that for now. Coming up, Louis. All right. Doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
All right.
All right, but
That was amazing.
good. Okay. My name's Doc Russ. I've been a chiropractor since 2011 from the US. I've been working in the Philippines since 2017. The main goal with chiropractic is to take pressure off the nerves. So if you can improve nerve flow coming to all of these areas here, that is going to, of course, increase health. So chiropractors will align the spine, just like this here, taking pressure off the nerves here. With that, you can reduce things like pain, numbness, nalai, and even increase the health of the organs like the lungs, the brain, the heart. We want to improve this, which ultimately improves this here. Yes, when it's done by a professional. Okay, so professional chiropractors, we are mostly doctors. So have a doctorate background. That means usually it's a little different based on the country, but roughly 8 years of schooling with a doctorate. And then there's also licensure to get certified. And with that, you can be assured that it's much safer than anyone just kind of tugging on. In general, it's safe anyway, but that makes it even more safe. So everyone's different. Kind of what I was saying before, it's like a workout where we want to increase the body, the health of the body over time. So the body adapts, we put on a stress, the body adapts, and we just keep doing that until you get healthier and healthier. Everyone's a little bit different, but most people can benefit from consistent chiropractic care, stretching, therapy over time. Yes, so children, absolutely. Pretty much any age from birth to elderly. Again, as long as it's done by a professional that knows what they're doing. For pregnant, it's actually very good because if you have low back pain, you don't want to be taking medications. So chiropractic care done safely, done carefully, can really reduce pregnancy issues like back pain, hip discomfort naturally. How do you know you need? Well, anyone could need it. Anyone could benefit from it. Just like a workout in the gym. If you're breathing, if you're alive, you can benefit from chiropractic care. It's not like, oh, I have this one thing, therefore I should go to a chiropractor. Really, anybody can. Okay, if you want to improve flexibility, if you want to improve nerve health, decrease pain, improve function, flexibility, these all can be benefited with chiropractic.